Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply vitamin E with oil on hair. Start by selecting a pure vitamin E oil or a few vitamin E capsules. You'll also need a good carrier oil, such as coconut, olive, or jojoba oil, to dilute the vitamin E. This dilution is crucial as pure vitamin E oil can be quite thick and potent. Make sure your hair is clean and either dry or slightly damp, as this allows for better absorption of the oil mixture into your scalp and strands. Now, let's mix our oils. For every 1 or 2 vitamin E capsules, you'll want to use about 2 tablespoons of your chosen carrier oil. If using capsules, carefully puncture them with a clean pin or snip the tip to release the oil. Combine these in a small, clean bowl. Stir the mixture gently but thoroughly until the vitamin E oil and carrier oil are completely blended, creating a smooth, consistent solution. With your mixture ready, it's time to apply. Begin by sectioning your hair to ensure you can reach all areas. Take a small amount of the oil mixture and gently massage it into your scalp using your fingertips for about 5 to 10 minutes. This stimulates blood flow. Then, work the remaining oil through the lengths of your hair, paying special attention to any dry or damaged ends. After applying the oil, let it work its magic. You can leave the treatment on for at least 30 minutes, or for more intensive conditioning, leave it overnight. Covering your hair with a shower cap or a warm towel can help the oil penetrate deeper. When you're ready, wash your hair thoroughly with a mild shampoo, followed by your regular conditioner, to remove all traces of the oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.